Introducing the HLRC-4020 CNC Waterjet cutting machine. Engineered for ultimate precision and versatility. From ceramics to stainless steel, from marble to foam, cut anything, cleanly and accurately. This 5-axis waterjet handles complex bevels and curves, slicing through any surface with ±0.1 mm precision. Say goodbye to thermal damage, dust, and stress marks. Powered by Siemens 37Ku motor and controlled by Weihong software, it features programmable Z-axis height and automatic cut recovery, boosting productivity and minimizing waste. At its core is the KMT ultra-high-pressure pump, delivering up to 60,000 psi, achieving clean, cold cuts with a kerf as narrow as 0.5 millimeters. That's up to 40% less material loss and 70% less tool wear compared to traditional bridge saws. Whether you're fabricating inlay patterns, mosaics, or beveled edges, the HLRC-4020 is built for 24/7 cutting, stable, efficient, and industry-proven. Ready to transform your stone processing workflow?